Hey guys, this video is on the instant read thermometer for your grill. This gives you an instant read really quickly to make sure your grill is at the perfect temperature for usage. It doesn't need to be charged or anything. It'll just give you a quick temp. I love it because it's accurate and it literally reads it in seconds, so you don't have to wait, which is really nice. It's small, it's lightweight. You could just keep it, in your shed or wherever you store your stuff for your grill. And it works really, really nicely. So I highly suggest this too. Especially if you're cooking like meat or something, you want to make sure that it's cooked thoroughly, that it's at the proper temperature, and all that. So the box just gives you like a little bit more of an explanation about how to use it. The display, ultra fast 2 to 3 second response time, and an extra battery is included, which is great. But it will last you quite some time before you have to replace it. But it's always nice that it comes with the extra battery. It has a large hanging loop, backlight button, wide measuring range, and a thin probe tip. Just give you guys a look at it up close. So it'll tell you if the meat's well done, medium rare, whatever you like to cook it at. Especially if you're going to be manning the grill all summer, this is a must-have. Thanks for watching, guys.